Open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for the option called Account Center. Tap on it. Now, inside Account Center, find and tap on Personal Details, and then select Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see the option Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. Now, select the Instagram account you want to delete if you have multiple accounts. You will be given two choices, Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Since we want to delete it permanently, tap on Delete Account and then tap Continue. Instagram will ask you for a reason why you're deleting your account. Pick any reason from the list, and after that, they might offer you alternatives like taking a break or changing your settings. But if you're sure, just continue with the deletion. Finally, enter your password to confirm and then tap Delete Account. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.